Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Lifestyle New. This time we talk about please unreleased it Blackpink Jisoo and Lee Min Ho film sparked backlash over the historical inaccuracy. The oncoming film Omnistic Reader Viewpoint starring Blackpink member Jisoo is drawing criticism from Korean netizens over what they claim is a distortion of historical context in its character portrayal. The controversy originated after the latest teaser and character poster released on 12 May showed Jisoo character Lee Jae wielding a firearm, despite her constellation being based on the revered Korean naval hero Admiral Ye Sun Shin, and the fantasy action film adapted from a popular web novel. Imagine a world where a long serialized book turns real after its conclusion. The narrative follows Kim Dok-ja, the book solo leader, who must survive in apocalyptic reality alongside characters like Yo Jong-hyuk and Lee Jae, all empowered by the constellation, golden-like entity drawn from myth and history. Admiral Yi Sun-sin, who led Korea's defense against Japanese invasion in the late 16th century, is historically associated with the sword and bow, traditional weapon used to combat Japanese muskets during the Imjin War. Jizo's depiction with a gun, however, has raised alarm and over historical inaccuracy and the perceived erasure of symbolic element, with many Korean fans accusing the film creator of prioritizing international market appeal over cultural and the fidelity. This concern follow past added to the Omnistic Reader Viewpoint Webtoon. In the Japanese edition, references to natural independent figure Yu Guan soon were altered into a yin yang and the sorcerer of the contradiction and rooted in Japanese geometric tradition. Similarly, a constellation linked into the independence activities and Junction was reportedly removed, which criticized such as an attempt to sensitize Korean nationalist reference for Japanese audience. Online reactions have been swift and severe. Users on Korean forums such as the Tokyo have called out the filmmaker, posting comments like they erased and Jung Jeon Ya, Gwansun and Admiral J, and I hope it flops. Many question whether the production team adequately researched Korean history or considered the implication of rewriting symbolically significant character. In February, the film producer and Rise Pictures CEO Won Dong-yeon addressed some of the backlash, explaining that the kinematic adaptation required changes for narrative flow and international consumption. He pointed to prior successful adaptation like Along with the God, which deviated and significantly from the original but retained public support, who claimed the script had been shared with the novel author Jo Ho-min, who approved the adaptation. He also shared posters of other characters such as the Yo Jong-hyuk, who appeared with both a sword and a gun in the film. However, no equivalent clarification has been issued for Lee Jae deception, depending concern among fans. Despite the backlash, anticipation remained high for the July release, with a production budget of 30 billion KIW and a star-studded cast including Lee Min Ho and the Ahn Hyo Seop. Still, the unsolved historical accuracy debate surrounding Jisoo character could cast a long shadow over its reception, particularly in its domestic market. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. This time, goodbye.